Look at the boy. He is feeling so hot and tired while walking in the sun for some time. Have you ever thought the reason behind the increase in temperature of our surroundings? The rays that comes from the sun are ultraviolet radiations, or known as UV rays. These UV rays from the sun reaches the earth. This UV rays, when directly absorbed into earth, it can cause many health-related problems for human beings. These UV rays can lead to sunburns. That is, the continuous exposure of skin to sun's rays can make color changes and patches in skin. Even this UV rays can cause skin cancer. When UV rays continuously falls on our skin, it can damage our skin cells, which lead to skin cancer. Other problem due to UV rays are: it accelerates the aging of skin. Another effects of UV rays is: it can destroy our immune cells, and thus it badly affects our immune system. In our day-to-day life, we use sunscreen lotions to protect our body from sun rays, like sunscreen creams that protect us from sun rays. Our earth has its own sunscreen to protect it from the harmful rays of sun. Now we will just look at it. Yes. The ozone is the layer that protects our earth from the harmful rays of sun. The blanket of gases that surrounds the earth is called atmosphere. Atmosphere are way different layers as shown in figure. Each layer is at different distances. In these layers, it is the stratosphere that consists of ozone layer, which is the protective layer of our earth. This ozone covers our earth and protects the earth, like an umbrella that protect us from sun. Here you can see that the harmful rays of sun is getting absorbed by the ozone layer, and it thus prevents the harmful rays from reaching the surface of the earth. So it's our need to protect this ozone layer. But do you think we are protecting the ozone layer? The answer is here. In our busy world, we are actually doing many things knowingly or unknowingly that can deplete the ozone layer. Chemicals that can deplete the ozone is chlorofluorocarbon, nitrogen oxide, etc. Chlorofluorocarbon is also known as CFC. It is emitted from the vehicles. The smoke emitted from vehicles have such chemicals that deplete ozone by creating holes in it. Smokes that continuously emitted from industries in industrial areas also can cause depletion of ozone. Other CFC emitted equipments are air conditioners and refrigerators. These CFC gas reach the ozone layer and deplete the ozone layer. Thus holes are created in ozone layer. In this picture you can see the ozone layer depletion. Small holes in ozone layer can lead to depletion of ozone. And so what happens? The harmful rays of sun will reach directly into the Earth's surface. These harmful radiations that directly absorbed into the Earth's surface reach us and lead to many health problems. Now we will look how this ozone is formed, and what happens to it when CFC reaches the ozone. We all know that atmosphere contains oxygen atoms. These oxygen atoms combine together to form oxygen molecules. And these oxygen molecules again combine with another oxygen atom to form ozone molecule. The energy for this reaction is acquired by absorbing UV rays. Ozone molecule is the combination of 3 oxygen atoms. The ozone thus formed again absorb UV rays as energy and split into oxygen molecule and oxygen atom. and these oxygen atoms again continue the process to form ozone. Thus ozone formation is a cyclic process. From oxygen molecule ozone is formed, and ozone again split into oxygen atoms. Thus level of ozone in atmosphere is maintained in a constant level. This is called as ozone-oxygen cyclic process. For both the reaction which form oxygen to ozone or ozone to oxygen, the UV rays are absorbed. This is how ozone protects us from UV rays. This ozone layer. Just look here. As its name indicates, CFCI contains chlorine, fluorine and carbon. The chlorine atom in CFC will get attached to ozone molecule by displacing one oxygen atom in the molecule ozone and thus destroy ozone molecules. And thus it creates an unbalance in oxygen-ozone cyclic process. So what are the ways that we can do to protect the ozone layer? Most importantly, we must reduce the use of CFC-emitting equipment such as air conditioners, refrigerators, old vehicles, deodorants, etc. Replace old equipments with the new one, because the old one can cause more harmness compared to the new one. Creating awareness by making posters and placards. Celebrate September 16, the World Ozone Day, and conduct programs that make students know more about the importance of ozone. It's the duty of each and every person to protect the ozone. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel for more videos.